What do you want to do now?
Go on the lazy river.
And that's more fun?
Yeah.
And here we see a tribe engaging in a ritual of the sharing of the ice cream. Notice there's a protocol that requires slapping of their siblings in order to earn a lick of the tasty treat. Notice the intoxicating effects as it causes the one that's seated and the one that's standing to get into aggressive behavior. We are here in a blind where they cannot see us observing them so as to not alter their behavior. The ritual of the ice cream. Oh, how they love their tasty treats.